today is Sunday, September 21st, 2025. Warm with more sun than clouds. A couple of showers and a thunderstorm this afternoon. Storms can bring flooding, downpours, localized damage, and wind gusts. High of 78, low of 64 degrees. Monday, September 22nd, 2025. Clouds with humid with a shower, clouds in the morning, then times of clouds and sun in the afternoon. High of 73, low of 58. Wednesday, September 23rd already. Some sun with a brief shower or two. High of 71, low of 58. Thursday, about the same. Variable clouds with a couple of showers possible. High of 71 again, the same exact thing you had on Tuesday right now. And a low of 58 as well. And then, Friday, the high will be the same as the previous day, Thursday. 71 degrees. Partly sunny, partly sunshine with a shower or two, probably, I'll say. Saturday, 69 degrees. Mostly sunny. And a low of 57. So this week, you're going to start off rainy. Then you're going to end the week mostly dry. So, and if you want it in Celsius. So, Celsius for, if you're any Canadians, I'm not, with 26 Celsius for Monday. And for Monday's low will be 18 Celsius. And I'm only going to give you that. Then I'll give you one other thing since I'm here. And since I can pop it up as quickly as possible. The Climate Prediction Center outlook right now. The Climate Prediction Center's outlook for the next 6 to 10 days in the Midwest. Mostly, I would say that 33% above normal. That's going to be near that Arkansas, lower in Missouri, and then over here by Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, parts of lower New York. That's going to be that 30, 40, 40. There, then you get into this 40 to 50%. That's for much of the U.S. except for Upper Illinois. Upper Illinois, you're getting higher. Lower, down by Alabama, you go from that. Then you go into that 50 to 60% above normal for Florida and beyond in lower Texas and lower Louisiana. And then if you go up towards upper Michigan, you go back into that. You'll go into that 50% to 60% above normal. Then if you go higher than Michigan, you go up into upper Wisconsin and upper Michigan. You're going to have that change from that 50 to 60 to 60 to 70% above normal. Then if you go higher that, that's going to be that 70 to 80% above normal. And then, of course, it's going to be right in there. You're that 70, 80 to 90, or 90 to 100. And the only state that's below normal is in Alaska. Near normal will be here in lower California, like near LA, Lake LA area, Santa Clara. Won't be that. It'll be in areas LA. And then Texas, upper Texas. So if you get near the Texas border, middle of the Texas border, up here near the region of Oklahoma City, maybe. The whole state of Oklahoma will be mostly near normal. And then precipitation for the next 6 to 10 days below normal in the Midwest and parts of the Pacific Northwest. And then the rest in this little area just near normal. This little area will be near normal, which is not bad for this time of year, but it's not good right now. And I'll show you the drought monitor in a second because we got probably that in a second. And then the rest of the U.S., other than that, above normal precipitation. So anywhere from Washington, the state, to Pennsylvania, either just near normal or above normal. That's pretty much what it's looking like. Then let's look at anomalies. This is what you see above your head. So this is a cutoff low. I'm not going to go into any of that right now. I'm not going to go. Let's look at. Let's go. All right, as of August 7th. So let's see what's going on right now. Latest news. Hurricane season tracked for above normal Atlantic season, but it hasn't been above normal. The only storms we we'll go to the hurricane tracker and see what's going on in the tropics real quick. The only storms that we have going on as of right now we have that storm. There's a couple. How many? Let's go with the one that's in the Atlantic. There's a couple in the Atlantic. Yeah, this one. This one's in the Atlantic right now. Alright, I don't know too much about that, so I'm gonna. Alright, we're gonna go to. Let's look at radar, what's going on. Alright. Right now, what's going on in Michigan on the radar? Right now, you got one system that is coming towards Sarnia right now. Rain will be happening throughout the next couple of hours, I would say. This rain should be done by Tuesday, Wednesday right now. Tuesday or Wednesday at this rate. We'll probably have in the range of 5 inches, 4 inches. Depends how much it rains for. A couple other pieces of this. This system is already in Kansas. This parts of Kansas City it's heading towards. Jefferson City will probably get some rain eventually. Denver, not much. Not much in the East Coast. East Coast is pretty dry right now. As we get into tonight, Cincinnati, you're going to start getting some rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Ohio River Lands National Wildlife Refuge. You'll probably be sometime. This is 1 p.m. right now. 2 p.m. actually. This radar is 1, but by I would say 2 to 3 p.m. you'll have some good rainfall. And this is going to go on for several hours. Well into tomorrow. Let's see what else we can do on this radar. Warnings right now. Active alerts. Thunderstorm and tornado outlooks. Yes. Tornado outlooks. Thunderstorm outlook right now for Sunday, September 21st. Marginal risks for lower Michigan all the way down into Texas. Slight risk in upper western Texas. Marginal risk for Minnesota, parts of upper Iowa to the west, and parts of Nebraska on the east side of Nebraska. And then the rest is just general thunderstorm risks. Storm reports for today. Nothing yet. Tornado parameter 2% in in Minnesota and in Texas. Wind chances, 5% chance of winds anywhere over I think 25 to 30 knots or 45 to 30. I think it was some in that range. I'll look at that more in a minute. Cities this is going to go through: Detroit, Milwaukee, Chicago, Springfield, Illinois, Kansas City, Springfield, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, Chicago. Hail 50%, 15% chance in Forks Sills, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas. Dallas, you'll have a 5% chance. I'm done when you are ready.